Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so let's talk Blueland today. Blueland. So I got here one of the starter kits. So it's going to include these 4 products right here. We got foam hand soap, the multi-surface cleaner, the bathroom and this is the glass and mirror cleaner, and then we got the bathroom cleaner right here. As you can see from the beginning of the video, I've had the multi-surface bottle for longer. I got these about a month ago, and this one I've had since September 28th of last decade. The packaging. Let's talk about the actual psychology of these bottle design, okay? So they only have one word written on them, and it is what they're for. And then they have the little indication, the line and the little symbol saying to where to fill it up to. I love how simple the design is, because for those who don't know, it is psychology proven that when you have a bunch of things laying around the house, products and things like that with a lot of words in it, your brain immediately just subconsciously tries to register everything. So it makes you more exhausted. It makes you less relaxed around your house. And having something this simple allows your brain to just relax. And we all know that cleaning products are usually just words on words on words on big, bold, different type of letters for this and that and with this and that. So I just love how simple and easy that is. It allows me to think clearly. And yeah, like I said, all of the ingredients are just on the website. If you just go on Blueland/pages/refills, you can find ingredients and instructions. I love these bottles because you only have to buy one bottle, which is a huge step towards making a cleaner planet, and we all know that that's extremely important. That way you're not going out and having to buy bottles over and over and over again. You can just refill this with your own clean water up to the line, and then you dip in your little tablets, right? We got 2 tablets here. They are both multi-surface. I have to reorder for the other ones, but you can always reorder in pairs of 3, 6, 9, you name it. They also have sometimes little specials of different flavors and different smells, different scents, different looks. I know they just had one for the hand soap during Christmas, etc. All of the smells are amazing. They're not too strong. They don't smell like super toxic, like chemicals and stuff like that. If you want to know what's in the ingredients, it is going to be on the website. It's going to be on the website. One of the most important pros that I forgot to mention is how cheap this product is. Okay, you buy the bottle once, $10 to $12, and then for the rest of the time that you're using it, each tablet is only $2. The scratches that are on the multi-surface bottle, the big scratches, there's a big one that I don't have on there, but you can kind of see it here. It's right there. It's huge. It's right here. That's my biggest concern, is that when I was looking at the reviews, my bottle wasn't the only one that was like this. At first I thought it was just mine, and I was like, whoa, when did I drop this? But I did not drop it. Something chemically must be happening here. So I do believe that the bottles need to be improved. Something needs to be done about that. I am testing these other ones out. So far in a month, nothing has happened to them, but we'll see if they also get scratches or if the problem was fixed. I still need to do more research on that. But as far as 2-3 months ago, all I saw was that this was also happening to other people. So as you can see, I found the scratches on this bottle, and then if you look at the paper towel that I had put there about a minute before, it is absolutely soaked. I'm going over to the sink and I'm squishing it, and you guys can see that there's liquid coming out. I come back, I put it on a new paper towel, and then just for those few seconds that I was gone, the liquid is pouring out onto another one of these, what do you call these, cup holders, cup thingies?
I meant a custard.
Sorry guys, I'm bilingual. My English is my second language, and I can use that excuse as many times as I need to when I forget words. But yeah, I'm just hoping that the issue gets fixed. But anyway, I'm sure if you just message Blueland, which I will, they can they can let you know, maybe send you a new bottle for free, things like that. I highly recommend these though. As far as anything else other than the scratches, I am so happy with them. The packaging is so easy, refilling them is so easy, they smell great, they make you feel clean. The soap, I love using the foaming soap. If there's anything I missed or any questions that you guys have, please make sure that you comment below, message me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me if you want to know more about any other products that I'm going to be testing that are environmentally friendly. Click that notification bell button so you can find out as soon as I buy them. I just hope you guys have a beautiful day. Don't forget, green is easy.